Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Shiba Inu and give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed. Where is Shiba Inu going to go? Is it going to go to the moon or is it going to go to zero? Where is Bitcoin going to go? Because we need to be paying attention to Bitcoin to want to see where Shiba Inu is. We need to see where Bitcoin's going. It's as simple as that. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first things first, over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Black Sea. I said, have not opened this chart in months, and SHIB is respecting the lines on the weekly. You can see I posted this down here, and I saw this, and I said, I need to make a video about this because it's quite fascinating. So when we go over to Shiba Inu and we're looking at the weekly price targets, I mean, it's pretty incredible. We have really respected these lines here. When you look at this on the weekly, we are bouncing right off of this yellow line at 401346, and we barely broke through it to the downside, and we really treated it as support. And you can see we broke down from this line. I drew this and we broke down from it. I haven't looked at this for a while. I think I made a Shiba Inu video probably a couple months back, and well, it's played out. We've broken down, and we're testing this level as support, and it's holding up very, very well. I expect that. I know it sounds crazy, but based on where Bitcoin's at, as long as Bitcoin plays nice, I think that Shiba Inu is probably bottomed out. The altcoins have been taking an absolute beating. If we measure from the top to where we're at right now, let's see just to the bottom for fun. We're down 76, basically 77%, but where we're at right now, we're about 67% down. Still nothing to scoff at. 67% sell-off is still significant, but I do think that there's a good chance that we're kind of bottomed out here, guys. I do think that there could be some very, very good potential chances at catching some nice leverage trades on some of these meme coins, Shiba Inu being one of them. It's not financial advice, but if you guys do want to take advantage of catching some of these bottoms, please check out in the description box or the pinned comment below this video. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin. They have access to so many meme coins that you can leverage trade, and more than any other exchange I've seen, really. So it's a nice tool to use, especially if you want to get really risky and make some profits on some meme coins. Then all you gotta do is click that link, deposit trade, and you can get a bunch of free money to do that. So Shiba Inu right now sitting at a nice healthy $8.2 billion market cap. That's absolutely insane to think about that. We rewind 5 years back or so, 6-7 years back, talk about meme coins reaching over $1 billion market caps. If you were to say that, I would say you're crazy. But now it seems like an everyday occurrence that we're seeing meme coins get over $1 billion. It's absolutely insane to see that play out. And I do think that Shiba Inu has proven its test of time. We're ranked. What rank are we right now? We're probably, let's take a look. What rank is Shiba Inu? Rank 13 in the top 20. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, guys. And the only thing that's above it is Dogecoin and rank number 8. But they're really holding their own. They're really proving the test of time. And I think that I would not be surprised at all to see Shiba Inu break its previous high at about 405760, which is basically, let's measure from where we're at right here to previous highs. That's a 540% gain, guys. 540% gain. I think it's possible. I think it's possible, and I think it's probable as long as Bitcoin decides to play nice here. Where are we at with Bitcoin? We've been trading sideways for 7 months, guys. Let's take a look at the overall market right now. So Bitcoin right now is trading at 59,327. It just can't hold above 60,000. We've broken above 61, 62 over the past couple days, but we just seem to keep getting swatted down below 60K. And right now, Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 56.22%. When we exclude stable coins, we're basically at 58.22%. I've been saying for a while now, Bitcoin dominance has topped out. I think that it's pretty unlikely that we see a rally above 60% until, very, very big emphasis on this, guys, until Bitcoin breaks above that key channel of $72,000 to $74,000, or breaks below the channel at about $52,000 to $54,000. If we break below that or above that, then I think Bitcoin dominance will start to make its rally back to 60%. But in the time being, when we're chopping around, I think it does favor some of these altcoins. I really want to see some of this liquidity move back into the meme coins, kind of give that. Well, first I want to see it move into the utility coins, because in my opinion, I think that's kind of the next appropriate step we should be looking at for the liquidity to move to or towards. And then after that, we should see it trickle down on meme coins. Usually if you see it skip the utility and go to the meme coins, you know, okay, this isn't really the real deal. This is just a little cycle within a cycle, if you will, a gambling, hyper gambleization of a cycle within the larger cycle of waiting for Bitcoin to make its true new all-time high in the macro term time frame. I do want to take a look at the monthly charts here for Bitcoin because August has been pretty bearish so far, and September usually is the most bearish month for crypto out of all of the months, guys. So keep that in mind. I do expect September to be pretty quiet, but I am cautiously optimistic. I think leading into the end of September, we should be looking at a nice bounce into October. But I'll be honest with you guys, when you look at probability and statistics, September says, well, it should be a bearish month, and I'm going to lean into the statistics. I'm going to lean into the idea that we're probably going to trade sideways and maybe break down a little bit. And what does breaking down really look like to me right now is, well, we look at the monthly. And the monthly is very important, guys. If we can close above 60,000 on the monthly, I'm going to say, okay, September is probably going to do all right. We're going to be trading sideways, and we probably won't break down to the bottom of this broadening wedge. And Shiba Inu and these other meme coins are probably going to get some love. We're probably going to see Shiba Inu break out. But if we close below $60,000, especially like 60,500 if you want to be specific. If we close below that on the monthly, then I am expecting a little bit more of a breakdown, a little bit more of a bearish beginning to September. If we look at the weekly, you can kind of see a better picture. Excuse me, this is the daily. Let's look at the weekly. If you look at the weekly, you can kind of get a better picture of where we're at right now. And right now, it does look pretty good. You're starting to curl up here, but we did get pushed down. And I do think that it's really important we have our eyes on the monthly candle closure, which is in 2 days and 1 hour, guys. It's coming in hot. It's coming in hot. We're going to have to really be paying attention to where it closes. If it closes below 60,500, I'm going to be expecting a slow drift down here. Potentially, I don't think we're going to touch the bottom at about 49, 47,000. I don't think if that's, if we do, it'll be a quick wick in my opinion. But I do think that there's much more likelihood that we trade sideways and slowly bleed down for the beginning half of September. But I don't think it's going to be anything dramatic, in my opinion. And I think it's going to be kind of a boring, bearish September to be expected, but only in the first half, because I do think that October probably will catch a lot of people off guard. And I know a lot of people are saying, oh, October's Uptober. That's why I think in September, towards the later end, you should expect some volatility, in my opinion. But guys, if you like this type of content and you're a Shiba Inu holder and you think that we're going to hit all-time highs, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Also, check out those awesome referral links down below if you want to participate in some free cash money. $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex in the pinned comment below and in the description box. All you can do is click those links, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of your money. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.